So a lot of people don't know this, but the reason why I've been able to blow up my YouTube channels is because of this one thing. So today I'm going to share this secret with you, and it's something that a lot of the other YouTube gurus do not want you to know, and a lot of the big channels don't want you to know. But I'm going to share it with you today in part 3 of this 6-part video series on how to make money on YouTube without making videos. So in part 1 of the 6-part video series, I explained to you how grabbing stock footage in Creative Commons videos and simply just putting some commentary over it and then outsourcing and automating the channels is outdated, and all the big YouTubers and big YouTube gurus are using this new Faceless YouTube acceleration model. And in video number 2, I showed you how 95% of people who start YouTube channels are choosing their niche the wrong way, and how you can be one of the 5% who chooses your niche the right way. So in the last video, I had you choose your perfect niche. So now that you have your perfect niche chosen, it's time for me to share with you my number 1 secret for blowing up a channel fast in any niche. And this secret is something I like to call the keyword express lane. So even if you choose the perfect niche and you do that right, literally 97% of YouTube channels do this next part wrong, and because of this, they never find any success on YouTube. So this big secret is what separates the 3% of channels who actually succeed to the 97% that don't. So this planning phase is literally the most important step to blowing up your channel. It's something that 97% of channels skip altogether, and with no plan, your chance of success on YouTube is literally going to be next to none. But lucky for you, you're watching this video and you're going to be one of the top 3% that do this the right way. You see, most people, what they do is they choose a niche, right? They choose a YouTube topic that they want to make a video on, and then they just go ahead and they make that video. Then when they get done, then they do the research to see, oh, what keywords should I use? What titles should I use? When the truth is that is actually completely backwards. What you want to be doing is studying YouTube, finding the topics and keywords that are bound to be successful. Then you make your video on that exact topic. So what you do is you do the keyword research first. You don't do it after you make the video. You do it before you even make the video. So you already know that the video has the potential to go viral, as long as you make that video entertaining. So what you want to do is pick one viral video that's already working in your niche and use that as an example, and then just make yours just a little bit better than theirs is. So in order to do that, what you want to do is compile a list of high search volume and low competition keywords that are going to get you ranked fast. So what's going to happen is you're going to get ranked easily because you're going to pick and identify these high search volume, low competition keywords. So they're going to be things that you'll easily be able to rank for. Then from there, if your thumbnail and title is engaging, you're going to get high click-through rate on those search terms, right? People are going to click through and watch your video. And then if it's entertaining and you get the retention rate that YouTube's looking for, that right there is when you're going to start getting suggested by YouTube. And once you get into suggested, it's game over. You're going to start blowing up that channel really, really fast. But you're only able to get there because you were able to rank for search terms. You were able to do that because you did your keyword research. So what I like to personally do to do this keyword research is to use a software. So I like to use vidIQ. There's also TubeBuddy. There's also a free version of TubeBuddy. There's also a free website called Ubersuggest. All of these different things, what they do is they give you search volume and competition rankings for any search term you want, right? So I like to use vidIQ and compile a big list of high search volume and low competition keywords. What that does is allow me to then have thousands of different keywords that I already know are primed for ranking very easily on. Then all I do is I make videos literally tailored to those exact keywords. So by doing this, I'm beating 97% of people because I'm able to rank a video really fast, where other people just go, oh, I want to do white noise, and then they make a white noise video and they get ranked on page 75. No one ever finds their video. So by doing this, you're compiling the big list of video ideas before you even start making videos, so you already know that when you make that video, as long as you make it entertaining and you have a good thumbnail, good title, and all those things, you're going to be primed to go viral from the very start. So going along with the golf training example that I've been using for my niche, if I go into vidIQ right here and type in golf training, I now have the search volume of tons of different related keywords. On top of that, I also have the competition level. So we're going to scroll down to down here, and these are the sort of golf, very low competition keywords that we want to look at ranking for. So what you can do is you can then export this list and then add all the different terms that have to do with golf that you'd be interested in making a video on, and then you've got a massive list. And so now for those of you who want to do it for free, if we go into Ubersuggest and we type in golf training, as you see right here, we get the same sort of thing. So we can see the search volume, we can see the SEO difficulty, we can see some related keywords that might be good. So basically what you want to do is do the A through Z that I taught you in the last video and type all those keywords in and get a massive list of high search volume, low competition keywords. So what I want you to do is either use vidIQ, TubeBuddy's free version, use the free Ubersuggest website, whatever you need to do to get some numbers on search volume and competition. What I want you to do is to compile a list of the top 40 keywords that have high search volume and low competition for the niche that you chose. So after you do this, you'll now have a great list of video topics and ideas and keywords that are already ready to go viral. Then all you'll need to do is learn how to produce the content. So I also want to let you know I'm putting the finishing touches on my brand new Tube Monetization and Automation 2.0, the Ultimate Journey Edition. And so just to remind you, this is a very exclusive small group, okay? Something I've never done before that's going to be extremely small and extremely exclusive, where I'm only going to be taking a small handful of people and individually guiding them, giving them personal attention on a level that I've never done before to personally coach them to some of the biggest results, hopefully, that we've ever had achieved in this program. And I'm going to be walking them step by step through this new Faceless YouTube acceleration model. So if you would like the opportunity to be one of the lucky handful of students who get to join this new exclusive program, go ahead and click the link down below where you can put your name and email in and sign up to the early bird waitlist to make sure that you're able to get a spot, because these spots are going to absolutely fly because it's very exclusive. So we've taken a lot of my personal time and there's a lot of interest already being generated. Not only that, I've already had hundreds of people join this early bird waiting list, and I've already had thousands of emails of people that are interested in this new thing that I'm doing. So if you want to make sure that you at least have an opportunity, make sure you sign up for that early bird waitlist. So you have your niche picked out, you have your video topics and keywords that are ready to go viral. Now all you need to do is produce the content. So in video number 4 of this 6-part video series, I'm going to teach you how you can produce these videos faster, quickly, more efficiently than ever before, and how you can make these infinitely better than the videos that are already out there and going viral on your niches. So I'm going to be peeling back the curtain in this next video and showing you step by step everything you need to know about this brand new Faceless YouTube acceleration model that all of the biggest, most successful Faceless YouTube channels are currently using, that up until now, no one else has ever shown you. So if you want to watch video number 4 in this 6-part video series, right here, you will find that video if it's ready to go. So if it's ready, it's right here. Click it and watch it.